Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, this is part 2 of the General Lee, and we are waiting on parts for it, so the car is still in the same condition. But I'm going to introduce you guys to a buddy of mine, Jet, who owns the car, and he can tell you more about it and why it's in this condition.
Hey everyone, I'm Jet Yesko, the owner of this particular vehicle, 1969 Dodge Charger General Lee. I'm also the owner of TV and Movie Cars for Hire. You can find us on the internet or on Facebook, TV and Movie Cars for Hire.com. And what we do is basically we have a collection of different famous TV and movie cars that we rent out for different events, whether it's weddings, birthday parties, anniversaries, car shows, parades, charity events, fundraisers, you name it, we're available for that. And this was the very first car that got me involved in that, my baby 69 Dodge Charger General Lee. Unfortunately, where the cars were all stored for the winter, being Buffalo weather, I usually don't take these out. It was stored in a storage facility out in Alma, and when we had that November 2014 massive snowstorm, 77 inches of snow in 3.5 days, the roof collapsed on the storage facility, and it did some damage to the vehicle. Found a shop, found a guy that was supposed to do it. He was supposed to have the car completely restored for me by July 1st, 2015. Well, here it is, basically February 2019. As you can see, the car has not been restored. The guy started the restoration and then threw it in the back of his shop, and it was a battle for me to get in touch with him. And every time I did, he said he would be getting to it, he'd be getting to it. It was one excuse after another. Finally, I went to go get the car from him. He wouldn't give it to me. He wanted a large sum of money for the work that he did, which was basically stripping the car. So it turned into a court battle, and 4 years later, I finally got the car back in my possession, and now we are ready to do the restoration. So join us. Come, follow us as we get back into it.
The long journey.
The long journey.
And putting her back together.
That's right.
But don't worry, but you forgot to mention the other cars that you do have that are for hire.
I do. That's right. I do have other cars. We have the Batmobile. 1966 Batmobile, to be precise.
And it was made by?
Well, it was from the mold from George Barris's from original 1966 Batmobile. This car is the original Batmobile. It's what we all know as the real Batmobile. None of this new crappy Ben Affleck stuff. No. 1966 Batmobile, the real one with style and class. We also have the Knight Rider car. We have Starsky and Hutch. We have Blues Brothers. We have Smokey and the Bandit. And what else do we have? We have Christine. So check out the website. Let me know if you need a vehicle for a special occasion. We can help.
That's right. All right, guys, you guys have heard it. The cars that he has, the ones that are for hire. So look into him, watch his website, see what he has, and hit him up. Until then, we're going to show you the progress on the General Lee, and we will keep you posted.